What's going on, guys? Welcome back by the channel. If you're new here, my name is Will. This is my wife, Riza. Sorry we've been so busy lately, haven't put out any videos, but we do a side business job. We do CCTV on the side, and we have just been slammed with business. So we've been working really hard. We had to get another vehicle too. We had to do some changes because we were running into some transportation problems carrying our equipment. So the Filipina here went and bought a big truck.
Yeah, very big one.
So we are going to show it off in this video and let us know if you like it or if we should have gotten something else. Drop us a comment. And one more thing, guys. We only need about 150 more subscribers.
Yes, we're about to be at 5,000.
Break 5,000. So remember, guys, if you're watching our video, please hit that subscribe button. Do it for the Filipina. You don't have to do it for me. Do it for her. She needs to break 5,000. Even though she don't talk much in the videos, trust me, she's worth it. Oh. She does talk quite a lot, guys. You just have no idea. It's when you turn the camera on, that's when she gets quiet. She gets shy. But, guys, seriously, we only need about 150.
Yeah, shout out to all the subscribers and all. We love you guys. Thank you so much. Arigato.
Yeah, we only need a few more, guys. Thanks to everybody who has subscribed to help push us toward that 5,000.
Thank you so much.
But guys, check out the video. Guys, we have made it back home. I hadn't showed you the truck yet, but I'm still gonna do that, I promise. But the Filipina had to come to the Filipina kitchen first. Yeah. What are you doing, Filipina?
I'm going to cook.
Filipina's got to cook. How do you like her in her nice little watermelon? Turn around for us, babe. Her little watermelon. What is that? Apron?
Apron.
She's cooking tilapia. She's cooking curry. She's cooking soup. Let's see. She's got a curry going. Got a soup going here. A chicken soup, which is off the chain, may I say.
Sopas. No, in Tagalog, sopas. Macaroni soup. English.
Macaroni soup in English?
Sopas in Tagalog.
This is a curry chicken. We were going to take her around and let her show you the truck. I might can talk her into coming out there for just a minute. I don't know. We'll have to check and see.
Guys,
she cooks for people and does all these meals, and I think she's got to do some.
Because I don't have money. I don't have money.
We got to do some tilapia. She cooks for profit, you know. She cooks for her what do you call it? Huh? Your extra money.
No, I don't have money.
She cooks for extra money, and she's doing a tilapia dish, a soup, and a curry,
Korean bulgogi beef.
Say it again for the camera.
Korean bulgogi beef.
Bulgogi beef. I don't know what that is. Have I had that before?
Yes, you're always eating, but you don't know. Macaron soup.
Macaron soup.
Macaron soup.
Now this has chicken, potatoes, onions, carrots.
Chicken. Yeah.
Well, I did say chicken, I thought. Chicken and, of all things, Spam.
Celery.
Oh, we got a little bit of celery in there too. Oh, and some garlic. Some coconut milk?
No.
No coconut milk?
Carnation
milk.
Evaporada.
Carnation evaporated milk. And some, and some loving care.
Tender care.
Yeah, this soup is off the chain, guys.
Yeah, it's very big.
Alright guys, I told you we bought a new truck. Well, we're here at the dealership because we had to drop off the key, one of the other keys to the Camaro. We're standing out here in the lot. Filipina's wearing her Impex hat, hiding over here in the corner. But we've got our salesman here, Mark, and he's going to give you a little shout out about where he works and how to get in touch with him in case you're interested in a video. In case you're interested in a vehicle.
Hi guys, my name is Mark Solano with Impact Chevrolet GMC. I'm a sales consultant here. Best way to get a hold of me is to actually you can go ahead and call me on my personal number, 707-338-4456. Once again, 707-338-4456. I will give you an absolutely fantastic vehicle at a great price and full transparency.
This man is very, very trustworthy. I recommend him highly. He did us a great job. The whole process was painless, even though they had a big rock star here the day we were trying to do our deal. Who was it that was here?
That was D. Snyder of Twisted Sister.
Yeah, we got to meet him. He signed a few autographs for us. He's really cool. But they had a line of people. I bet it was thousands of people here Saturday. We were trying to get this deal done. Mark here pulled us through it. We were able to get it done. We are located, where are you located at? You're here in Reedsville, North Carolina.
Reedsville, North Carolina, yes sir.
And it's
Impact Chevrolet GMC. Come see us for a great deal.
Come see this man. Buy a car from him. We highly recommend it. Where's the Filipina at? Oh, she's hiding over here on the side because she said it was. She's cold. It's cold today for her because, you know, she's used to 90-degree weather. But guys, we're going to give you the tour of the truck here. Just want to give a big shout out here to Mark. Come see him if you're interested in a vehicle. Guys, let's get the tour started.
You know the speed.
So guys, check out the rest of this video and we'll give you a tour around the truck. Show you what the Filipino looks like standing beside it. And,
yes.
Which is
how big?
rather tiny.
Yeah. And a monster.
So, stay tuned.
See you guys.
We'll show you around the truck. Let's go. All right, guys, I got her to come out here.
Hi.
This is how big she is up against the truck. Now, I mean, the truck is lifted a little bit, but she's only 4'11", so. But anyway, this is how she has to get into the truck. We've got some step rails coming for it on Friday, but she has to put her knee up in there and then climb up, pull herself up, which she has trouble with, obviously.
So, are you ready, guys?
So, tell them what this is. It's a Ram 1500.
Yes, this is a Ram 1500.
And it is almost fully loaded. It doesn't have a sunroof. We didn't buy it new, but
this is a goat.
A Ram. A Ram.
What is Ram?
It's a 22 year model. We didn't buy it new. We bought it used. But guys, of course, this has the Hemi engine in it. And how much horsepower does this?
395 horsepower.
395 horsepower, and it has how much torque?
410
pounds of torque. It's got the this is a sports edition of the Ram, and it has the paddle shifters here. It has the info center, as you can see, and it's got the cool looking dash. Pedals are movable. Automatic headlights, which she loves.
That's what I like.
It has automatic sensing rain windshield wipers.
Yes.
And what else does it have, Filipino? Oh, it has what? Heated and cooled seats, right?
Yes.